I took the long road home, past the trees and the jackrabbits and the weeds. I took the long road home, just to see what I could see. Well, it was a big wide world out there.
Yeah, I think that's gonna do it. It's a pretty last minute trip. It's actually very last minute, but luckily with the adventure bus, most of the stuff's already packed. I'm actually gonna get the grill started here, and yeah, we're gonna have an amazing night from the look of it. Let me get the flat pack Yuko grill out again. Not only am I testing it, but it is, as you can see, it's pretty quick to set up, and especially with the fire danger lately, I've been using a lot more charcoal briquette, so I'm gonna get that and get this started, and yeah, get the rest of the camp set up, and I'll be back with you.
I took the long road home, past the trees and the jackrabbits and the weeds. I took the long...
Well guys, put up my I guess prototype. It seems to be working right now. It's a Bushcraft USA 10x10 tarp with a couple of tarp poles that I picked up. They're just universal. It's absolutely stunningly quiet right now. I've got less than an hour left of the sun over there. My goal today, I have not come very far. I wasn't sure I could actually make it up this butte. It's about 40 minutes from my house, and I've been up it with dual sports. I've been up it with my Scout, and I've even been up with the FJ 1300, the FGR motorcycle. After taking a little bit of a spill, there's a couple of whoopties that you got to really get up here, and of course two-wheel drive, I wasn't really sure. She's a big girl, but we made it up here, and absolutely, I'll just kind of pan you around while I talk, but it is stunning. That's the sun just trying to set over here, and of course you've got the Three Sisters lined up with just a little bit of cloud cover just rolling up over them, and really hoping the clouds will clear, as I guess fingers crossed, as I expect them to, and I'm really hoping to get a little bit of Milky Way shots tonight. This butte has a great vantage point. There might be a little bit of light pollution towards the biggest city near me is Bend, Oregon. So we will see, but that is the goal. Nighttime photography is kind of something I'm working on, and I really want to try to get something. The bummer is I really didn't want to bring the whole family for the weekend. Saturday, Sunday tends to be very busy up here, especially when I'm not very far from the house. And I guess the even bigger unfortunate thing is it's absolutely dead quiet up here. I expected to have a couple people, locals up here. A lot of guys use this for shooting, and so it's just me. It's kind of a last minute thing. Right now the moon is only at 3%. It's just coming off of a new moon, and it's setting pretty early in the evening, about 9:40, and so honestly we should have some pretty dark skies, even though I'm not that far from town. So I guess it's just more of a practice for me. Well guys, I'm gonna get dinner on the grill here. Again, it's just chicken. It's gonna be gnocchi. It's my high carb day, which I'm always happy about. It means also low fat day. If you guys have been following the channel for a little bit, we talked about health and diet and exercise and stuff. I do carb cycling. That's the thing you want to look into. But have the flat grill. She's just about kicking off here. I'm gonna honestly just be taking pictures until this battery runs dead, and enjoy my evening. All right, frying up a little bit of gnocchi. Chicken's ready. Put that sitting to the side. We'll be eating soon. Perfect. All right, guys. Well, it is the next day. I know as we left off last night, I was hoping to get some nighttime photography shots. Just finishing my dinner. And if you can tell, it's already basically 2 in the afternoon here. I had set my alarm. I was going to try to get some shut-eye before kind of a full night of astrophotography, if you will. And so I set it to 12:30, just after midnight. And I woke up by my own volition around 4 a.m. And, you know, our cell phones that are our alarm clocks, I looked at that thing and I apparently had set it somehow to one day later. Tonight at 12:30 a.m. my alarm was set to go off. So yeah, not every expedition goes without a hiccup. This was a pretty big one, as my goal was to do nighttime photography. So at 4 a.m. when I got up, I took a few shots. I'll throw in one here. You can kind of see there's a little bit of glow still coming from Bend for that southern exposure. That butte was beautiful. There's nothing blocking my way with the mountains. I was hoping it was going to be gorgeous. However, yeah, things happen. There was already a little bit of residual light coming out of the west with the sun coming up. I knew I wasn't going to get any real star shots at that point, and just made some coffee and enjoyed the morning. It was a gorgeous night. We had bats out. You know, you could hear them chirping, taking out different bugs and things like that. Other than that, a few coyotes in the distance. Had a couple of visitors on top of that hill, but nobody stayed. Had some mountain bikers that watched the sunset with me. I had one dirt bike come up, give me the thumbs up, probably do the adventure bus. And I had some truck at like midnight, probably a local, that came up. I don't know what he was looking for, a quiet spot, and then slowly turned around. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll be out in, you know, somewhere else a different day. Lessons learned. Milky Way fail. Yeah. Pretty hard. We failed on that one, but it's still dirt time. It's still getting out. You know, it's still enjoying the outdoors. So not a total fail. We'll try again next time. This has been Wandering Beast. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you down the road. Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.